Example number 3. Predict from each set the atom or ion which has highest ionization energy. We have to choose which has highest ionization energy. First one, chlorine is less than fluorine. So the order is you have fluorine and chlorine, they belongs to the same group. Down the group ionization energy decreases. Definitely chlorine should have less ionization energy compared to fluorine. So this is right. Next, sulfur is greater than chlorine. Now, when I consider sulfur and chlorine, where are they? So it's something like this, oxygen and sulfur. So this is across the period. Atomic number of sulfur is 16 and that of chlorine is 17. When I say across the period ionization energy increases. Therefore, chlorine should have more ionization energy compared to sulfur. They have given the wrong statement. Then, argon and potassium. Argon is a noble gas and potassium is an alkali metal. Definitely, alkali metal should have less ionization energy and argon should have more. They have given the opposite. Next, fourth one, beryllium plus and Mg plus. So to know about this, both of them are belongs to the same group, beryllium and magnesium. Beryllium atomic number is beryllium atomic number is 4. That is 1s2 2s2. If you consider beryllium plus, the electrons are removed from 2s orbital. You get 1s2 2s1. If you consider magnesium, it's 12. 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2. If you consider Mg2 plus, you will have 1s2 2s2 2p6. Now in case of magnesium, the effective nuclear charge, or I can say the number of protons, are 12. It doesn't change. If I consider beryllium plus, the number of positive charges are 4. What they're saying is removal of electron from 2s is easier compared to this Mg2 plus, that is 2p6. This is not correct. Why it is not correct? Look at the principal quantum number. In both the cases, we are removing from the second shell. That's the first thing. And 2s1, it can readily lose electrons so that it can attain the nearest noble gas configuration. But if you consider Mg2 plus, Mg2 plus is already in the stable electronic configuration form. Which is a stable electronic configuration? It is a neon configuration. Look, count the number of electrons. It's nothing but 10 electrons are there. 10 electrons are there. So, removal of electron from a stable electronic configuration is very, very difficult, due to which Mg2 plus will have more ionization energy compared to beryllium plus. Therefore, this is not correct. This is not correct. Next, fifth one, xenon is greater than krypton. Even that is absolutely wrong, because the noble gas configurations are argon, krypton, xenon. Down the group, ionization energy decreases. Therefore, xenon should have less ionization energy. What they have given is wrong. Then, sixth one, oxygen is less than nitrogen. Actually, you have nitrogen and oxygen, 8 and 7 and 8. Electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p3. This is 1s2 2s2 2p4. This is half filled. Nitrogen is half filled. If you want to remove an electron from half filled orbital, it requires extra energy. Therefore, nitrogen should be definitely having more ionization energy compared to oxygen. That's given in the right way. Next, if you consider the seventh statement, statement number 7, Na plus is less than Na. See, both of them are same elements, but it has a positive charge. And also, it is attaining the nearest noble gas configuration. removal of electron from the nearest noble gas configuration atom will be definitely more. In this case, the effective nuclear charge is more. As a result, electrons cannot be removed easily. Then you have example number option number 8, nitrogen less than oxygen less than fluorine. This is absolutely wrong because just now we saw that oxygen should have lesser compared to nitrogen. So from this you can exclude this. So which are the correct statements then? 1 and 6 I have. 1 and 6. I'll write it down somewhere here. 1 and 6. Now, if you consider this ninth statement, that is I minus is less than I. Actually, anybody by looking at this question, they would say that it's right because the negative charge is there. That's why removal of electron becomes easier. But if you consider any halogen, by accepting one electron, they attain the nearest noble gas configuration. Nearest noble gas configuration. Due to the nearest noble gas configuration, it attains more stability, more stable. When they are more stable, definitely they won't lose the electron. Then, boron is less than carbon. Boron is less than carbon. So we have boron and carbon across the period. Definitely that is true. 10th statement is true. Then 11th statement. Neon is less than fluorine. That's absolutely wrong because neon is a noble gas. Noble gas should have more ionization energy. Then 12th option. Phosphorus is greater than argon greater than Mg. Here itself you can see argon. Argon should have more. Therefore, definitely this is wrong. Actually, what's the order? It should have been like argon, then comes phosphorus, then comes its Mg. This should have been the correct order. Then 13th one, boron greater than gallium greater than aluminium. Boron, aluminium, and gallium, they all belongs to the same group. Down the group, ionization energy should decrease. If that is the case, boron should have most, then aluminium, then gallium. Here there is an interchange because of presence of d orbital. D orbital. The electrons are present in the d orbital, which has poor shielding effect, due to which removal of electron from gallium will be more. It's very difficult. Removal of electron from gallium is very difficult, due to which it has more ionization energy. Therefore, apart from statement 1 and 6, 1 and 6 means you can choose option C. 1 and 6, then 10th and 13th. Yeah, thank you.